The AMZCHEF Espresso Machine EP235 impresses with its precise temperature control, offering 3 settings to tailor your espresso from bright to bold flavors. Safety is a priority with this espresso machine, featuring dual protection that prevents overheating and provides visual alerts for a secure brewing experience. With a powerful 20-bar pressure system, this machine ensures maximum flavor extraction, delivering a rich and perfect espresso every time. The intuitive LCD display keeps you informed of the brewing process, while its sleek and compact design adds a modern touch to any kitchen space. This espresso machine is equipped with intelligent upgrades such as automatic cleaning and milk frothing, making it convenient and easy to maintain. The detachable components, including the transparent water tank and drip tray, offer effortless cleaning and refilling, accommodating various cup sizes with ease.